Welcome to CyberPros, how to install John the Ripper on Linux in under 60 seconds. First, before we install any new software, it's always best practice to update our local package lists to ensure we get the latest available versions. Next, with our package lists updated, we can install John the Ripper using the apt package manager. We'll use the Y flag to automatically accept the installation prompt. Now that the installation has finished, we can verify it's working by checking the build information. This command confirms John is installed correctly and shows us the features it was compiled with. With John installed, let's locate its main configuration file. We can see john.conf inside the /etc/john/ directory, which is where we would go to customize cracking rules and modes. Finally, let's inspect the default password list that comes with the installation. Using head, we can see the first few entries in password.lst, which gives us a ready-to-use word list for basic dictionary attacks. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.